You want to click on your profile picture or your name at the top left of the screen. You will then see the create option, which you want to hover your mouse over it and select the create account. If you want this sub-account or new account to be connected with your current account, then you want to select the left choices. And if you don't want the new account to be connected with your current one, for example, if you don't want to share any of the data, then select the right choices. After that, click on next. You may name your new account and select the country operation. Then hit the create button over here. And after answering some questions, you are good to go. As you can see, this is a brand new account, my sub account. The balance is $0, while I have like $10,000 balance on my previous account. So it's totally a different account. And to go back or switch between all of your available accounts, you may hit your name again at the top left of the screen and select your previous account. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.